Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grok to make super quick and effective notes from any YouTube video. So, if you're a student, a content creator, or just someone who wants to save time while learning, this tutorial is for you. You know how frustrating it is when you watch a 2-hour lecture or podcast and later can't remember the key points? That's where Grok comes in. It takes the video, breaks it down, and gives you clean notes in seconds. For example, here I have a 1-hour, 30-minute long video of our favorite Pon Moral Sir, who is a very renowned teacher for current affairs. Now it's your duty to generate the video transcript. But the question is, how do we generate the transcript of this video? Scroll down to the video description and click Show Transcript. Wait for a few seconds and the transcript will be generated. But what if a video doesn't generate a transcript? No problem. Just go to the website shown on screen and your work will be done. Now I have the transcript ready here. Simply copy that. For Grok AI, first go to Grok. If you don't already have an account, sign up. It only takes a minute. Next, open the YouTube video you want to make notes on, copy the link from the address bar and paste it into Grok. Click enter and in just a few seconds, Grok will process the video. Depending on the length, it might take a little longer, but usually it's super fast. Here's the magic part. Grok gives you a structured summary with bullet points, key takeaways, and sometimes even timestamps. You can use these notes for revision, making presentations, or scripting your own content. You can also customize how you want the notes, whether short bullet points, a detailed breakdown, or even Q&A style notes for studying. Just adjust the prompt inside Grok. Pro tip, always cross-check the notes with the video if it's something very important, because no AI is 100% perfect. Also, save your notes right away. You can export them into Google Docs, Notion, or anywhere you like. And that's it. That's how you can use Grok to make notes on any YouTube video in just a couple of minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you want me to make a full tutorial on advanced Grok features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.